Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add clocks in Notion. Now, as you can see here, guys, I'm in Notion. And if you want to add a clock in Notion, it's very easy to do. So how do you do that? First, you want to head over to websites such as Widget Box, and you can quickly go ahead and sign up or sign in with your Gmail account. So I want to recommend that you do that. I'm going to sign in with my Gmail account. So I'm going to authorize this account right here so that I'm able to quickly find, for example, a clock that I can show you how you can quickly add into Notion. Now, as you can see here, I'm in. Now, on the left hand side, just simply click on clocks and you can choose whichever clock you want. So I'm going to choose, for example, a digital clock right here. And as you can see, it shows me the digital clock and says customize and embed. That's what we want. So I'm going to click on that and it's going to take me over here and I can change, colors. I can basically do whatever I want. And once I finish customize it and I like it, then all I really have to do is to embed it. Now, you can just go ahead and you can even edit the name of the clock as you can see here. So it says untitled digital clock. So I'm going to say, for example, Drew clock. That's for example, right? And once you're ready, you can just simply click and copy embed URL. That's it. No, you can customize it as much as you want, as you can see here, right? You can switch it even from the 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. It's really up to you. You'll see everything there that you need to customize, and once you're satisfied, you just need to ensure that you customize or click and copy the embedded code. No, once you head back over to Notion, guys, all you have to do is type the forward slash and type the word embed. And from here, select the word embed and you'll have the option to embed a link. You just paste that embedded link that you've gotten from this widget box. Click on embed, guys, and you will see that it quickly embed the clock for you. And you can resize this the way you want. As you can see, it's really up to you. You can make it as large or as small as you wish. Just find something that works for you. And once you do, that's it, guys. It will change automatically. It will update automatically. It will work just like a normal clock. And as I said, you can choose if you want digital or analog. It's really up to you, whichever one you want. So let's say you want to do this. I'm going to show you that this actually work as well. So I'm going to just simply copy this and just go back and let's embed this one here. So forward slash embed, and we choose the embed, which is the first option, and paste the URL and just click on embed right here. And you will see that it will work regardless. So that's it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and add a clock in your Notion. So whichever option you want, you can quickly go ahead and add them. So let's go ahead and wait for this to actually show up. I mean, and there you have it. It's actually working fine. See, it's actually working fine. And that's it, guys. If you want to add clock in Notion, go ahead and check out Widgetbox that app. As you can see the website here, Widgetbox that app, and you can sign in with your Gmail account if you have one, and just go to the clock section and you can just choose whatever you want. And that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.